3 cats I know for a fact you've never heard of. Starting off strong with the black-footed cat. Don't let that face fool you. This is the deadliest cat on Earth. No, seriously. They have the highest kill rate with 60% of their hunts being successful. That's adorably terrifying. Next up is the sand cat, specifically Newman the sand cat. These cats are found in some of the driest parts of the world, like the Sahara Desert, where it gets up to 124 degrees during the day. No thank you. Finally, the caracal cat. Known for their speed, they can jump up to 10 feet high and snatch a bird right out of thin air. Plus those ear tufts slay. Now you know.